programs are curated by our festival director, Mr. Albert Banyanes. It's Red Friday, Rush to Watch, Excessive Dawn, marking the close of the 11th edition run. For today's opening screening, Red Friday roars to life at the UP Film Institute's Videotheque, with chainsaws were singing, a deliriously unhinged blend of thriller, comedy, and full-throttle musical mayhem. And believe us, it's so much more than that. From Estonian filmmaker Sander Maran comes a love story splattered with absurdity, melody, and gore, where romance takes a sharp detour into the path of unrelenting chainsaw killer. And if you'd like to read the programmer's notes, kindly visit www.bakunawafest.com. Thank you very much for coming and enjoy the films.